So yeah, I'm just his right-hand man. My history, it's quite a long one. I'm getting up there now. I think this is my 18th season as a mechanic. My relationship with Justin is growing. Like, I've only really known him for 3 months. Gas is in my blood, like so they say. Dunlop's the only tire to really use in the Supercross championship. I mean, it's just a perfect family, really. I've lost a few championships and I won a bunch of races, but I'm still here searching for more.